Popular family restaurant chain files for bankruptcy. Pinstripes, the Italian-American chain that mixed bowling, bocce, and sit-down dining, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy after closing more than half its locations. The company entered court protection in Delaware on September 8th with about $143 million in debt and liabilities that could reach $500 million. At its height, Pinstripes ran 18 restaurants. Just 8 are still open. The concept, combining Italian food, bocce, and bowling, aimed to rival arcade-based venues like Dave & Buster's. Rising costs and reduced traffic led to cash shortages, closures, and bankruptcy. Pinstripes intends to sell assets to Silverview for $16.6 million, which includes a $15 million credit bid and $1.6 million cash, with $3.8 million financing provided. This proposed timeline ensures sufficient time to effectuate a value-maximizing transaction while avoiding the value destruction of a freefall Chapter 7, Chief Restructuring Officer James Ketchadurian said in a filing. The 8 restaurants that remain open are in Illinois, Maryland, Minnesota, Ohio, Washington, D.C., and California. Court filings suggest Punchbowl Social may also enter the bidding process, though Silverview is currently in a position to take over unless a higher offer emerges. Before the filing, William Blair noted Pinstripes' diverse revenue streams, with nearly half from private events, 2/3 corporate. Bowling and bocce added 21% of sales. This wasn't enough to counter reduced guest traffic despite menu price hikes and cost-cutting. The bankruptcy now leaves Pinstripes hoping for a sale that keeps its 8 surviving locations alive, while the broader entertainment sector faces the same pressure from consumers who are eating out less and spending cautiously.